You're taking GLP-1s and your appetite's changed. But what about your protein? Whey protein might not be your best move anymore. Let's talk about why and what you should be using instead. When you're on GLP-1 medications, one of the biggest challenges is preserving muscle mass. Because when your appetite decreases, your body can start burning muscle unless you're getting enough protein. And low muscle mass, that also slows your metabolism and it makes the long-term process much harder. According to experts, protein intake also helps support staying full longer. And so that makes it much easier even when your meals are much smaller. And that brings us to whey protein, which is usually a go-to for many. But there are a few reasons it can backfire if you're on GLP-1 therapy. First of all, it slows gastric emptying. That means whey can prolong digestion even more, which may increase nausea or discomfort for some GLP-1 users. Incomplete appetite control, especially when in older or obese individuals, whey doesn't always suppress the calorie intake effectively. It also can create some digestive discomfort. Even whey isolates can be rough on the gut when digestion is already slowed down. So that's why we developed a protein shake specifically for GLP-1 users at LEMD. It's designed to be gentle, effective, and supportive of your goals. And here's what's inside. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides, easy on the gut, great for muscle repair, skin, and hair. Plant-based protein blend, smoother digestion and sustain amino acid release. We also have digestive enzymes like papain and bromelain to help with absorption and reduce bloating. Collagen for skin and hair elasticity, a smart addition if you're experiencing thinning or GLP-1 face. No added sugars, no low lactose, and formulated to be easy to mix with smoothies or coffee. And it comes in 3 fantastic flavors: vanilla, chocolate, and coffee, and it tastes literally fantastic for my very picky GLP-1 user palate. Getting started is easy. Mix 1 serving into your morning coffee, your smoothie, or even yogurt. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving. That helps keep your protein in balance without overloading your digestive system. This simple tweak supports your muscle metabolism and even gives your skin and nails a great boost. If you're looking for a protein option that actually supports your GLP-1 journey, this might be exactly what you've been needing. I'll drop a link below so you can learn more or talk to one of our LEMD providers about customization. And if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. I've got more tips, peptide deep dives, and wellness tools coming soon.